Hey guys, welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John, and today we're not actually going to be going over a lightsaber. We're going to go over a blaster. That's right. So I had this commission fall into my lap, and the only requirements were that it had sound and lights. So I wanted to actually do one of these for a while. This is a Evike A180. It's not actually called that on their website. If you Google it, that'll come up though. There's a kit, and on top of that, there's the full blaster. So it's an airsoft pistol, and I machined the heck out of it to get everything to fit. But it came out great. So I took the opportunity to install it with a Proffieboard V2.2, and I did full Neopixels in the barrel. So we actually get some really nice animated blaster effects, which I could not have done without the help of No Sloppy on the Crucible forums. He's also on Instagram at @NoSloppy_. Thank you so much, and here is the fruit of your labor. So, just to quickly talk about some of the features, I made sure that the recharge port was on the outside, so all you have to do is turn it into a Nintendo gun and put your cable in the bottom. It won't work while it's charging, regardless of the kill switch being on or off, but this will charge the battery when it's plugged in. So, and then there's no chance you're going to overcharge it. The chargers have, and the battery have, overcharge protection circuits. So, let's talk about how to actually use the blaster. The safety and the hammer are both fully operational, so the hammer is spring-loaded, and I put the auxiliary button in there. The trigger is spring-loaded and hits your blaster button, and the safety is actually your kill switch. So when the safety's on, no power to the board, but you turn it on, and your power is now restored, and you can start using the blaster. So it'll put you into stun mode first, which is like that. But obviously most people want to go right into blaster mode, so this gives you an opportunity to cock your gun, and then now you're in blaster mode. If you go one more mode select, you're in full auto. So these are all, that'll keep going, by the way, until you let go. You could do one, you could just keep going. But all of these blasters, I have two other fonts, they all have 3 modes. And I kind of played with, this one's the most standard of the blasters. The next one is Han Solo. So the first font, or the first mode, instead of stun, is actually heavy blaster. And then the next mode of fire is regular blaster fire from the DL44. And then the final one is actually an E11 auto fire for full auto. And then the final font, this is Jango Fett, where I made the first, or the regular blaster fire is West Star. The full auto is actually a flamethrower. And the stun is the Geonosian blaster. Now at any point you can reload the gun by holding the auxiliary, which changes the mode, so now we're in West Star again. But it's kind of a nice power-up effect if you wanted to add a little bit of extra flair. If you're not somewhere like a con that's too loud, you can definitely hear this. The other thing to be said about this is that I did not vent this for sound at all. This is just the speaker working through the grips. If anybody wanted it, by the way, I am taking commissions for these if you have them, or once they become in stock on Evike again. But if anybody wanted them to be vented, these do have the opportunity to be a lot louder. But yeah, that pretty much does it for this. If you go back to the Jynn, you get her boot up. So turn it off, or safety on, no more firing. That pretty much does it for this video. All I have to say is please like and subscribe. It's a new channel and I'm slowly getting things up and running, but if you want to see more content like this, I do a ton of lightsaber builds. There's an Anakin Skywalker reveal that I'm going to actually be doing, so that's a little bit of a sneak peek. And yeah, I mean, if you have blasters, send me them your way if you want a similar treatment. Rifles, probably no problem. If they already have holes, you know, even better. So yeah, hit me up at john@sabersforever.com or go to sabersforever.com or hit me on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube. Obviously you're here now. Sabers Forever, that's me. So thank you so much for checking this video out, and I'll see you on the next one. May the Force be with you.